practical backup. The BMW Trailer Assistant, included in the Parking Assistant, makes it way easier to reverse with the trailer because your BMW will control the steering wheel for you. Connect the trailer to your BMW. The function is also available for retrofitted original BMW trailer hitches. Let's go! Press the parking button in the center console and activate the Trailer Assistant. The system asks you to drive forwards and steer. After a certain distance, the Trailer Assistant is calibrated and ready. This also happens automatically in the background while driving to your destination. In reverse, start the Trailer Assistant. You can now control the kink angle with the xDRive controller or the central information display. Use the gas pedal and brake, not exceeding 10 km/h or 6 miles per hour. Pull the xDRive controller down to drive straight backwards. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.